How to fix Android phone touch screen not working? In order to fix this issue, you have to restart your Android phone. For that, you can hold on your power button and easily restart your device. But for now, it's not possible because we are not able to touch our screen. So the other way you can do is simply you can hold on your volume down and power button. You have to wait for a while, then the screen will start to reboot. If it is doing so, your issue might be fixed, but if it still refuses to change, then just go to the store and perhaps get the screen changed. But you might not need to do that. Simple restarting your device will help you fix Android phone touch screen not working. So after you restart or reboot your Android phone, your touch screen issue will be magically fixed. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.